I'm going to review a few techniques that are commonly used to clean out a clothes dryer's exhaust ductwork. To remove my transition duct, I need to remove a strap, pull the dryer forward, remove the ductwork from the exhaust outlet of the dryer by loosening a clamp, the transition duct is the pipe that extends from the wall penetration near the dryer to the dryer exhaust port. Most current building codes require that the transition duct be UL approved and no greater than 8 feet in length. Instead of using foil tape to seal the seams, I used a clamp and a strip of heavy-duty aluminum foil. If I had used the foil tape, I'd have to struggle to peel it off. When I disassemble the ductwork to clean it, I can use a small brush to clean out the elbows. To clean the straight pieces of pipe, I'll just take an old cloth and a pole and push the cloth through the straight pipe. It's only about 16 inches long. I'm able to clean that out with a vacuum cleaner. I use a small brush to clean under the outside vent. If the exhaust duct is long, cleaning it becomes a little bit more complicated. Some people will use a leaf blower to clean out the ductwork, remove the outside vent or louver, and connect the leaf blower to the ductwork. One of the risks with using a leaf blower is that if the ductwork is not securely fastened together, you could blow it apart. It's possible that you won't even know that you've disconnected the ductwork because you can't see it. Often ductwork is connected by using screws. However, most building codes for dryer venting systems say that if you use screws, they can only penetrate the piping 1/8 of an inch. Hopefully the ductwork is secured tightly using clamps. Another option is to use a cleaning kit that has bendable rods and a brush. The rods and brush are attached to a drill. The reviews on Amazon are mixed. Many people get the brushes caught in the vent system. Others can only get the brushes around 190-degree elbow. I would guess that using these are best if you have a shorter vent system or very few bends. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. For other videos, click on the channel name Know How Now, and thanks for watching.